Hello YouTube, I haven't made a video in a while. Got a video on the car, putting a radiator in, I still need to put up. Anyway, I got given this amplifier. It's an American Legacy. Yeah. And it's pretty sad looking. Pretty rusty. I mean, look at the front. It's pretty bad. And back there, back's not too bad. Anyway, a friend of mine gave this to me. He said, "Hey, you can have it." I said, "Alright." And he said, "It keeps blowing fuses, won't turn on." I said, "Alright, well, I'll take a look at it." Hey, I'll take it apart, and yeah, looking at the outside, as bad as this damage is, this rust here and stuff, I kind of was like, oh boy. And so I wasn't very expectful. Actually, the board looks pretty good. It really does. All the traces look pretty good. It's only got one burnt spot. Right in here, yeah. Right there and right there on the resistors. For the power mosfets for the power amp. These are new ones. Anyway, I'll flip it over here for you. There with the mouse. But yeah, it looks pretty good actually. It's pretty clean, other than the rust on the front of it. I was really surprised. It's got a little bit of discoloration on this board right here. But we'll clean it up. It works, so blew my mind. I took out, it had 4 devices. These 2 here, and then these 2 over here that were fried, shorted, blown to pieces. Right there's one of them. They lost their smoke out the bottom, so got a pile of them up here. Anyway, I took out those 4, and just for wiggles, I decided, hey, let's put some power on it. And I hooked the speaker to it. I got a rusty, trusty old Radio Shack 12 back there. And it came to life. I had some audio with the cell phone, and it's good to go. So I'm going to get these parts in there and button her up. So amazing I didn't have to replace any of the outputs for the amplifier itself. So it's got some high quality caps. See, these yellow ones are real high quality. I've got a exterminator amp that has these 2 in it. So alright, that's about it from YouTube. I'm gonna get back to this, and I think I'm gonna move everything over to my other channel under my call sign. I'm also a ham under KD0WF, but it's going to be a while before I do that. Alright, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe if you want to.